All right guys, this is Christian over at Genesis of South Bay. Today we'll be going over all of the toggle features of the GV70. All right guys, so today we're going to be going over the toggle with the Genesis GV70. I'm going to be using my left hand for demonstration purposes, but you can do it left, upwards, right, down. It spins. You can also use this to type. All right guys, so with the toggle, you have about 6 different motions. You see at the bottom here, it's gonna illuminate which one of the screens that you're using. So if we go to the right, it skips through the entire thing. You can do that twice, okay? Even if you go back left, it does the same thing. You can go upward, down. You can even use this as a cycle. Let's go to our navigation. Let's search up some Starbucks. Everybody loves Starbucks, right? So we're gonna go ahead and type this, because remember, your toggle is also a touchpad. Okay, we're gonna hit enter. Now we're gonna search for our local Starbucks. And there you go. That is how you use your toggle. All right guys, so let's say if you messed up, like here, you see the Z, we all know Starbucks is spelled with the S, and you need to delete one, you just swipe backwards one time and it deletes. If you need to clear the entire thing, you're gonna use 2 fingers and you're gonna swipe. If you guys find this video useful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, with Proctor, there's no gamble.